Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sami Akhtar and today I am going to demystify some myths that a lot of new sellers are having. Especially I am going to answer a few questions today. Can you really start Amazon FBA business through private label business model today? If yes, what should be the right approach to do it? What are the mistakes you should avoid right now? I know maximum of you face a lot of issues with return, refund, and that eats up a lot of your margin. Maximum of you may also face the issue of high A costs. Now, I'll tell you a few reasons why these are happening, then I'll move to what are the next steps you need to consider if you want to start this business right now. So the first thing, make sure your product is differentiated and you are providing the best quality available in the market. Now, if you are someone who is just listing the product same exact as what others are doing, it is not going to be that good. You are not going to attract customer. You have to learn how to make images that is in contrast of the background. Where everyone is providing black, you provide something red. Where everyone is providing something white, you provide something red. You have to be the differentiating factor in terms of design, in terms of color, in terms of differentiation. Add some bundles which no one is adding. That looks premium in the main image. Now, a lot of you people, what you are doing is when you're starting this business, you are trying to find out what is a hot selling product that you can sell who has a sale of more than 20, 30 a day. You find that product, you source for a supplier, you get prices, you list that product, then you don't check whether the demand of this product is going down or going high, whether the BSR is going down or BSR is going high. Now, there are a few things I would like to tell you right now. First, if you see that the sales graph of that product, the BSR and the price, if you see that the price is actually going down slowly in a graph of 1 year or 2 year, that means the market is getting saturated now. If you see the graph is consistent, that is okay, no issues on that. If you see the market is graph is going up in terms of their price, that means demands are high, suppliers are less. Now that is about product selection, but this is not the right approach right now if you want to start an Amazon FBA business in 2022. What we are doing in our organization, we are trying to build brands that has story right now, that is backed up with a strong story, because story is something that can feed the marketing cost, that can help us to reduce the customer acquisition cost. How we do it? Obviously, it starts with finding a product. We use a lot of methods to find one product, starting from helium tin, starting from manual methods. I have plenty of videos in my YouTube channel. I will link some of them below. What we do is, we first set some criteria, normal criteria, what everyone does. But here we try to look at the image, try to find out what is different in this product. We don't sell bottles, we don't sell cups, we don't sell normal things that you see in household. We see a product that has a different cause. We try to find a product that has different function. I'll give you an example. So we have a brand in our Business in the Box program. We run a program called Business in the Box where give them exact brand name products, 5-6 products that you have to launch. We take some share equity in that company. We help them launch their product. The investment is completely from their side. So in that, we have a brand called, I'll not say the brand name, but I'll say the product, for example. It is a different kind of toothbrush, which is particularly made for diabetic patient because they have gum issues. Now, this product, you will see that, okay, there are a lot of toothbrush in the market, but that is a toothbrush which is getting a lot of sales. And that toothbrush looks completely different. That is a light bulb moment. That is what you know that, yes, this is a different product. Instead of so many high paying companies out there who spends a lot in customer acquisition, and this is a company which is small private label brand which is getting a lot of sales, there must be something different in his product. Now after we identify what is the difference in that product, we try to find out for whom this product is made for. Who is the customer that is actually going to need this product? The next step, we look at the particular customer for which the product is made for. After we find that particular customer, the next step is we go and try to figure out what are the next products that we can serve to that customer that will be aligned with the problem he have. If it is a gum problem for diabetic patient, you can come up with a herbal toothpaste that is sugar free or diabetic herbal toothpaste. Now, once the customer see that, okay, there are a broad brands out there like Colgate, those are getting broad market. And when they say your product with a lot of reviews, with good packaging, with good images, good A plus content is there, who is just talking to that single customer. I am here only talking to you. You will give me more attention than if there's a group of other people, right? That is what it is. If there is one brand who is speaking directly to one customer, the customer feels that yes, there is someone who is actually caring about me. They will go for you first instead of big brands. You need to capture those small niche first before going broad. And maximum of you guys are going broad first. After you find the first product, go and find the second product that will solve the same problem. Like as I've said, herbal toothpaste, diabetic free or sugar free. Third product you can go is bristles, tooth bristles. Fourth product you can go a little bit broad, like tongue cleaner. Fifth product you can now, after you have a 4 to 6 products, all of them are getting good sales. Now everyone will not get good sales. Some of them are only for margin purpose to get profits, because if one customer is buying, he is again going to come and buy again. Now once you are famous in this market, now launch the second go a little bit broad, because now the customer knows you. By broad, what I mean, now launch diabetic wheat, diabetic rice. Is this something that is new for you? Yes. Now when you focus on one particular customer, you can focus on a lot more things. Now you know exactly what is the customer acquisition cost, how much it is costing you to acquire one customer, because each customer is going to buy 4 more products from us, right? Now you can calculate that each customer is staying with us for more than 1 to 2 years. Now you know the exact lifetime value per customer. Now if you're kind of confused, because you need to know these numbers, and without focusing in a niche, you cannot calculate your customer acquisition cost, because your new to buyer customers will be always 100%. So now the next step is you need to calculate your customer lifetime value, customer acquisition cost. That is very important when you are focusing on one particular customer, one particular small niche. Now if you want me to do a in-depth video on how we calculate our customer acquisition cost and customer lifetime value, what formulas we use, how to get those data, comment Amazon FBA below. If I get more than 10 comments on that particular topic, I'll do the next video on that customer lifetime value and customer acquisition cost. So that's it for this video. I hope this could give you a little bit more clarity about what you should expect, what you should do. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll see you again on the next video.